Confidence isn't loud. It's found in the way she walks, the way she smiles, and the way she carries herself. True beauty has never been about fitting a standard. It's about feeling aligned with the woman you know yourself to be. Sometimes, confidence begins with a decision to invest in yourself, to feel more comfortable, more balanced, more you. Whether it's restoration, refinement, reconstruction, or simply personal choice, every journey is unique. Because elegance begins with long before anyone notices, it begins with how you feel.